In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a risk register in Asana and also guide you on the template you need to get started effectively. We'll go through the process step by step so you'll feel confident to set this up on your own. Risk management is crucial for any project, and having a robust risk register ensures you're identifying, evaluating, and prioritizing risks efficiently. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Asana account. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen and find the button marked Plus New Project. Give that a click. As you do, you'll see an option for either creating a blank project or selecting from available templates. Choosing blank project gives you the flexibility to customize your project from scratch. If there are templates that fit your needs, feel free to use one, but for our purpose today, let's stick with creating a blank project. Now, naming your project is an important part, one that sets the tone for what you're building. With clarity in mind, a simple name like Risk Register is not only informative but keeps everyone aligned on this project's purpose. Enter the name and hit Create Project, and you'll see your fresh project space ready to be filled with all your ideas and risk entries. Once your project is set up, it's time to put some smart tools to use. Asana comes equipped with an AI generation feature that can help streamline this process. Navigate to the project space. There should be an option to employ this AI tool to aid in creating your risk register template. This feature allows you to populate the register with initial entries, giving you a good starting point. It saves you time and provides a framework upon which you can build. Check out the entries it suggests and feel free to modify or expand on them as necessary. Now, while AI can be helpful, remember to tailor these entries to your specific project needs. After all, each project has unique risks. It's always a good idea to review these initial AI-generated entries, assess their relevance, and make additions or adjustments based on your in-depth knowledge of your project. Throughout this process, maintain a mindset of vigilance and proactivity. A risk register is a living document meant to be revisited and updated as projects evolve. Keep it dynamic by regularly reviewing it and contemplating both current risks and any arising concerns as your project progresses. I hope this guide has demystified the creation of a risk register in Asana for you. As you finish setting this up, reflect on how this tool can contribute to the successful management and completion of your projects. Once you're comfortable with these features, you'll soon realize that an organized risk register isn't just helpful, it's essential. Thank you for joining, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy organizing!